Hey, good morning, folks. It's Brian here, and it is day 5 of putting this Wanderlodge back on the road and getting its wings underneath it. So, yesterday was a long day. I didn't shoot quite as much video as I would have liked. Big shout out to the Wanderlodge owners group. You know, if you're thinking about buying one of these, you really should be on that group. If you want one that's not a project, talk to Randy over at Buy Bluebird. So I got new tires. Southern Tire Mart came out, did a vampire tire change. Worked from about 8 o'clock to 10 o'clock. It was a late night. Unfortunately, the fronts are 12R 22.5s. So one of the projects this morning is to verify the wheels are the same size. If they are, I'm going back with 11R 22.5s because I don't have time to play with this anymore. Wiring, shenanigans, and bow rigging. So somebody bow rigged the hell out of this wiring. It's been revised at least 2 or 3 times and had some issues with turn signals. Didn't have a front right, fix that. Didn't have a front left, fix that. Now I don't have a rear left and I can't figure out what's going on with it. So I'm fixing to run a jumper wire from here in the dash all the way back to the tail light. It's gonna look crazy, but it's gonna get me legal and on the road. It's legal without turn signals, but I want to get turn signal. And then one other thing is I want to check the differential lube level. At some point somebody pulled the axles. We don't know what we don't know. But fixing to make a 1,200 mile trip with it. I need to know that there's oil in the differential, and I see a lot of lubricant around it, so I might have a leak there. Not really a big deal. Didn't leak down too much overnight. It's been about 12 hours now, a little less than 12 hours since it was run. It started up without ether last night, so I was real happy about that. It's been needing a little whiff of ether because I've got some injection pump. I don't want to call it deferred maintenance. I want to call it neglected maintenance. Okay, so the throttle shaft seals on these Cat 32.8 injection pumps tend to seep because they harden and get brittle, and these are doing that. So all right, let's do it to it. With luck, we're going to get new shoes in the front at Southern Tire Mart today, and then we're headed to Texas, where this thing is going to live, and get the hell away from this area before. I mean, I gotta tell you, this Columbus, Ohio is absolutely beautiful, but I hear it snows here, and I really don't like snow. I don't like the cold. That's why I live in Texas. You know, when it snows in Texas, we hide from it because it'll be gone in a day or 2 at most. So anyway, I gotta get out of here. Besides which, I got shit to do. This ain't cheap. And I got news for you. Y'all clicking on the links in my videos and buying a little this or a little that on Amazon, I really appreciate that, but that don't pay my bills. That just buys my Coke, maybe. Coca-Cola, as if you had any other doubts. So anyway, let's do it to it. I'm gonna put some gloves on. I'm gonna crawl under here and see the hell these wheel sizes are. I hope it says 11R 22.5 on the Alcoa wheels. If it does, we're good. If it says 12R 22.5, we got a fucking problem, because nobody and their dog carries 22.5s in 12R. And they don't carry the metric 295/80 R 22.5 either. Those are bus tires. They're like hen's teeth. They exist, but they're really rare. Anyway, I'll be right back. All right, so I'll tell you what, there's a whole lot more room under here. Ah, damn it, I can't see a damn thing. All right, what did I do with it? Well, I guess we're not going to get lucky on the markings. I was really hoping the markings would be in here. Something else that should be greased. Plenty of brake shoe, that's a good thing. Let me look and see if I see it on the other one. Man, these tires have seen better days. Filthy dirty. Let me get some water. I gotta grab my phone. That is the mark I'm looking for. Mark of the beast. Come on, iPhone. What are you fucking doing? Oh, damn it. Alright, so what I need is actually a little bit lower, so I gotta get some more, another rag with some water. I'll be right back. Ah, shit. This must be really good because it's really fighting me, showing me the specs. Same size, 22 and a half by 8 1/4, same size as the rest of them. So 11 1/4 by 8 1/2, or 11 1/4 by 22 and a half will work. Woo! And y'all thought this was easy. Well, while we're down here, These are our arch nemesis down here. All right, let's get out of here.